if you are here as a clinician, or if you own a hospital, if you're managing one, and you interact with your clinicians, ito po, clinicians and claims. Now, ano ho ang meron? Ano ho ang issue? It's like this, no? Okay, clinicians and claims, okay, is very critical in the hospital. Why? Ito po, number 1, 80% ho ng information sa claim forms ninyo, okay, is all about clinical information. Now, if 80% ho is clinical, then more or less, your revenue, okay, is highly dependent on the clinical information that is being produced or being created by your doctors. That's number 1. Kasi nga 80%. Ito po, the next thing. Many doctors, okay, in our country, many doctors are purely healers. Okay? Now, because the priority is for a doctor to become a healer, of course, doktor nga di ba? In terms of PhilHealth, there is no training for the doctors. In fact, be it in medical school, okay, in residency training, and even in the hospital, there's no specific training. Okay? There's no specific training po doon sa from the doctor, okay, in relation to claims processing. Next po, okay, the doctors po are prone to fraud, be it intentional or unintentional. Now, I've been doing this for quite some time. Ang pinakawawa ho talaga dito kapag kinasuhan ng hospital is the doctor. Okay? Bakit? It's because the doctor has no idea na yung palang kaso or meron siyang ginawa na fraudulent. Okay? Out of the 10 doctors na kinasuhan, 7 ho sa kanila. Okay? In my experience, they have no idea bakit sila kinasuhan. Again, it goes back to the idea or to the concept that these people are not trained in PhilHealth concepts. So they end up being the victims of their ignorance. Again, no, hindi ho kasalanan ng doktor yon. Kasi nga, hindi ho tinuturo ang konsepto ng PhilHealth, okay, sa medical school, residency training, and even the hospital. So that is why if you are managing a hospital, if you own a hospital, if you are a board member of the hospital, it's very critical, okay, to train your doctors. Okay? Now, ito ho ang isa. Most of the time, doctors end up as leaders or managers. Okay? Now, kay ganun ho talaga. Ito po. Because they are poorly informed, because they are naive, or because they are poorly trained, they are poorly equipped in decision-making in terms of claims processing or PhilHealth matters. So most of the time, I've seen doctors who make decisions that are not quite fit, okay, for a specific problem or for a specific endeavor. Okay? Then again, I don't blame them kasi nga, hindi ho talaga nila kabisado yung konsepto. Okay? That is why it's very critical, okay, that the clinician should have this specific training for PhilHealth. Okay? Now, another thing. So, PhilHealth po is a very dynamic organization. Dynamic, ibig sabihin kung ano ho ang meron ngayon in the next several years, okay, it's not a guarantee that it will continue. Okay? Marami hong magbabago. For example, all case rate will be converted into a DRG and subsequently papasok ho ang global budget. Now, this becomes very complicated if your hospital leader has no idea on the basic PhilHealth concept, magkakaproblema ho kayo. Okay? So, sino ba yung hospital leader? In many hospitals, okay, it is the doctor. Okay? So, that is one of the basic issues talaga na bakit ang daming problema in terms of claims. Because the clinician is not informed. Okay? So, let us proceed